Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Alley Show.
Thanks, everyone. I'm so excited to introduce today's guest. She's responsible for over 1 million blowouts a year. She's strong, powerful, hot, but still the coolest around. It's with great pleasure I welcome the one and only Buttercup. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to have you here. You're like the perfect dryer. You're super lightweight, have 3 temperature settings, 2 speed settings, and a cool shot button to lock in the style. I mean, come on, there's a good reason we made you our mascot. So we all know that Buttercup has a super powerful motor and only weighs 1 pound, 1 ounce. She also seals the cuticle, which increases shine and reduces frizz. But what most people don't know is how amazing she is on the inside. Buttercup features ionic technology, which conducts negative ions to help give your hair that smooth and shiny look. She literally conditions as she dries. Plus, Buttercup dries 20% faster than comparable professional dryers. Pretty cool, huh? I'm sorry, I am doing all of the talking. Is there anything that you wanted to add? You're amazing.
Today because we're talking about hair, and we want to make sure that you have the best hair days you can possibly have. We know moms are too busy to spend hours and hours in the bathroom getting ready for the day, so it's all about having the right tools on hand. Something we've been experimenting with is the Remington Ceramic Pearl hairdryer. This is a hairdryer with a ton of great accessories and tools all included, and there's a 4-year warranty, so if you're like me and you're harder on your accessories, the limited warranty will make sure that you are always in product that you need. A couple of things that I want to feature are the lint and dust trap that goes onto the back of the hairdryer. This will make sure that you are not getting any of that dust into the machine, and it will operate smoothly. So just remove this on occasion, tap it out and clean it. Let's also talk about the other tools. The diffuser, great for you curly hair moms. And then for me, if you want a sleek look, the concentrator. This is what I've been using. And this just goes on the end, and I use it when I want to get a straighter sleek look. So I start at the root and work my way out, point on it. And I usually let my hair air dry, and then I go in with the hair dryer with just a few minutes worth of time. I can get a great sleek look. So all of these features are there to help moms get out the door looking good and their best. The Remington Ceramic Pearl comes with 6 total settings, 2 speeds, and 3 heats. Why do we love it? It's fast, strong, efficient, and pretty, just like the moms who use it. Here I am giving the hairdryer a whirl. If you're like me, you don't have time for hair tools that don't perform. We were super pleased with the way the Remington Ceramic Pearl dried our hair and got us out the door.
Hey guys, very excited. Just received by mail a free InStyler Blue Turbo Ionic Dryer. And I got this for free for my review purposes, so I'm going to give my unbiased opinion on this. So far, very, very cool. It has a very nice design, very modern looking all around. This part in the back actually will turn blue. It has in the back 3 different settings, so the ions, turbo and low. It has the different speeds, and it also has a different heat. It also has up front the cool air button. The tip is clear, very cool. I'm telling you, this design is very, very nice. It's very lightweight, like it claims. Absolutely, it looks very heavy, but it's not at all. It's very, very light. In addition to the tip, it also brings this feature you can use for the blowout. Very useful. So just want to show you real quick the design when you turn it on. Super cool. Turns blue. But very, very nice product. Very reliable, very sturdy. Definitely recommend you checking it out. So again, InStyler Blue Turbo Ionic Dryer.